Next we have to continue second year maths, and then subject is mathematical statistics 1, effect of change of origin and scale on moment generating function. Let us transform x to the new variable u by changing both the origin and scale in x as follows: u equal to x minus a dividing by h, where a and k are constants. Moment generating function of u about origin is given by mu of t equal to expectation of e power tu is equal to e of exponential t into x minus a dividing by h is equal to expectation of exponential t power tx by h e power minus at dividing by h is equal to e power minus at dividing by h exponential of e of exponential of tx dividing by h is equal to e power minus at dividing by h into e of e power xt dividing by h is equal to e power minus at dividing by h into mx of t dividing by h, where mx of t is the moment generating function of caps x about origin. In particular, if we take a equal to e of x is equal to mu, h is equal to sigma x is equal to sigma, then u equal to x minus e of x dividing by sigma x is equal to x minus mu dividing by sigma is equal to z is known as a standard variate. Thus the moment generating function of a standard variate z is given by mz of t is equal to e power minus mu t dividing by sigma into mx of t dividing by sigma. Next, third unit, characteristic function. First one, definition. The integral varies from minus infinity to plus infinity e power tx into f of x into dx, or the series summation x e power tx into p of x does not converge absolutely for real values of t for some distributions. First type, continuous type. Second one, discrete type. Continuous type, d into f of x is equal to c into 1 by 1 plus x square power m into dx. M is greater than 1, comma minus infinity less than x less than infinity, m x of t equal to c into integral varies from minus infinity to plus infinity e power tx 1 by 1 plus x square power m into dx. Next, second type, discrete type. F of x is equal to 6 by pi square x square, x is equal to 1 2 3 etc, 0 elsewhere. Next, properties of characteristic function. Property 1, for all real t we have number 1, pi of 0 equal to integral varies from minus infinity to plus infinity d into f of x is equal to 1. Number 2, modulus of pi of t is less than or equal to 1 equal to pi of 0. Next property 2. Pi of t is continuous everywhere. There is pi of t is continuous function of t in minus infinitive comma plus infinitive full stop. Rather, pi of t is uniformly continuous in t. Next property 3. Pi x of minus t and pi x of plus t are conjugate functions. There is pi x of minus t equal to pi x of t bar, where a bar is the complex conjugate of a. Property 4. If the distribution function there is x is symmetrical about zero, there is if 1 minus f of x is equal to f of minus x, which implies f of minus x is equal to f of x, then pi x of t is real valued and even function of t. Next property 5. If x is some random variable with characteristic function pi x of t, and if mu r dash equal to e of x power r exists, then mu r dash equal to minus I power r modulus of dou r dividing by dou t power r into pi of t equal to 0. Next property 6. Pi c x of t equal to pi x of ct, c being a constant. Next property 7. If x1 and x2 are independent random variables, then pi x1 plus x2 of t equal to pi x1 of t into pi x2 of t, xi I equal to 1 to n. Pi x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xn of t equal to pi x1 of t into pi x2 of t into etc pi xn of t. Next property 8. If modulus of pi x of s is equal to 1 for some s is not equal to 0, then for some real a comma x minus a is a lattice variable with mesh h equal to 2 pi dividing by modulus of s. Next we have proof inversion theorem. This is the important theorem. Statement is let f of x and pi of t denote respectively the distribution function and the characteristic function of a random variable caps x full stop if a minus h comma a plus h is the continuity interval of the distribution function caps f of x, then f of a plus h minus f of a minus h equal to limit t tends to infinity into 1 by pi into integral varies from minus t to plus t sin ht dividing by t into e power minus I t a into pi of t into dt. This is the inversion theorem statement. Thank you, students.